Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the Shopify app called POS or Point of Sale. We'll be comparing the two versions being Lite and Pro, going over the pros and cons, stuff like pricing, features, and so on, and ultimately deciding which of the two is the better option. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So without beating around the bush too much, it goes without saying that the Pro version is going to be better than the Lite version. However, if we're talking about the fundamental features or basically understanding what you guys will need, you may want to opt for the Lite version. So we'll be going over the key differences between the two and deciding what application that you guys want to use it for. Let's say that you're running an online store for Shopify, obviously, but let's say that it's not anything large scale. So maybe Shopify Lite, POS Lite would be the ideal option for you, as you wouldn't be really using the features that would be provided with Pro. So if you guys go to this link right here, help.shopify.com/Ian Manual and sell in person, it'll actually take you to the point of sale page where you get a full overview of the features and what exactly you're missing out on. So Shopify POS is a point of sale app that you can use to sell your products in person. You can use your Shopify POS to sell almost anywhere, including brick and mortar stores, markets, and pop-up shops, as the Shopify POS app is only available for iOS and Android devices, so keep that in mind. Now, the Shopify POS app syncs with your Shopify to track your orders and inventory across retail stores, online stores, and other active sales channels that you can even view and manage your store from the app itself. Now, it actually requires some piece of hardware, but honestly, your phones will do. But it says here that you can connect your Shopify with a range of retail hardware that helps you build your business both in person and online. So if you're a merchant with a store located in a supported country, you could actually buy the dedicated piece of hardware that supports Shopify POS. So it looks a little something like this. So POS Go, MPOP, card readers, cash drawers, barcode scanners, so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. Now, as far as the features go for Pro and Lite, here you can see their main features. And if you guys want to opt for an upgraded version like the Pro one, the page you would want to go at is this one right here. So you'd want to click on Point of Sale on your dashboard over at Shopify. And here you'll see that by default, you actually get the Pro enabled for your account. But if we're going to talk about the key differences between the two, obviously, with POS Lite, it's the one that comes with the normal Shopify plan as well as the advanced. But if you guys were going to opt for a retail version, then you would get the Pro one. Now, this one comes with more features like in-depth analytics, multiple sales channel, in-person selling, so on and so forth, that kind of thing. Whereas Lite is basically the same, but it's on a much smaller scale, so there's that. And to set it up, you guys would just want to go to this page right here. And honestly, that's all there is to it. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.